Today, we're demystifying clean architecture, specifically for all you .NET developers out there.
You ever make one tiny change to your project and suddenly a bunch of bugs pop up out of nowhere?
Yeah, that happens when everything's too tangled together, when your components are just too tightly coupled.
So let's untangle this mess. We'll look at the problem, the solution, its one golden rule, and why it's worth it.
It's really just a design philosophy that neatly separates your code into distinct independent layers.
The core idea is simple, but it's powerful. You have to protect your most valuable logic at all costs.
And here it is, the golden rule. It's the single most important principle, so let's see how it works. Simply put, nothing in an inner circle can know anything at all about something in an outer circle.
This means your business logic never, ever depends on details like the database or your web framework. At the very center, you've got your entities. This is where your core, enterprise-wide business rules live.
The next layer out holds the use cases, which basically orchestrate the flow of data for the application.
Then we have interface adapters. Think of these as translators, converting data between different formats. And finally, the outermost layer. This is where all the details go, your UI, database, and other frameworks.
This totally flips how you'd normally think about your app structure. So why bother?
Well, the first major payoff is, you guessed it, independence.
You can literally swap out external parts, like your UI or database, without rewriting your business rules.
And that leads to the second benefit, which is a huge one. Much better testability.
This makes your tests incredibly fast, super reliable, and honestly just way easier to write.
And finally, benefit number 3, your code just becomes so much more maintainable.
Now, you and your team can make changes with confidence instead of, fear.
So the key takeaway is simple. That dependency rule is everything. It helps you build a more robust system.
So maybe think about how this layered approach could bring some real clarity and stability to your own work.